Hi everyone, I just had the notion to use my gallery glass paints by Plaid and my tulip fabric paint as well as scribbles into these molds. I was just curious to see what would be the outcome. Check it out. Just to let you all know, I did do some research on whether or not you could use UV resin over gallery glass paint by Plaid, and it said you could, to make sure that it was fully cured and clean. The other paints you'll have to do some research yourself and find out, because I'm not sure. I will say this, it was so easy just having to take scissors to cut away any of the bits that you didn't want on the molds. It was real simple. Now to end this video, I'm going to show some actual real-time video in revealing these molds. This took 2 nights as well. I'll take out that second one. This is only like an 1/8 inch thickness. See, and I'm being very ginger with pulling it out so that I don't pull it apart. These feel very much like silicone in itself. Next, let's do the little Winnie the Pooh things. These molds came out great. Let's look at the honey pot, little jar of honey. Real quick, I want to say that this mold right here, because of the intricate deep designs, took the longest, 3 days to cure. I want to put this caveat in here that I am aware that I am using some of these molds, well actually really all of these molds, for a material or medium it's not designed for. Some of these are designed for resin and some are designed in baking. That can have a lot to do with my outcome as well. I do have molds that I'm intrigued to use by using resin. I know this is not about resin. However, I just want to let you know, once I use a mold for resin or something such as this, it does not go back to being used for food. But I'm just letting you all know, I'm aware of that and I'm not doing that, nor am I suggesting that. Gotta say that these days. These have sat for 2 nights. Okay, I just want you guys to know that. Is the glass, I had to think about it. Yeah, this is the glass paint. You can tell with the glass paints, they seem to be a little transparent. The glass paint as well looks a little transparent. The G, this is, and I do believe this L is actually puffy paint as well. So they tend to have a little bit more defects in them when I use the puffy paint, but again, if I had a little bit more patience, it would have come out well. Like this one is the other L and it's smooth. There's no imperfection on the back side, whereas this one did. In conclusion, I feel that this craft definitely worked. Thinner is better, so that is my note to self if I endeavor to try this again. And also, if you want to build up on these, you can, and once you take them out of the mold. If you found this video helpful and it gives you an idea for doing your own crafts, give me a thumbs up, and why not go ahead and subscribe. Oh yeah, and don't forget the hype part either. You guys take care, be safe, and bye-bye.